Sunshine. Oh, there it is. That drip that we live for. Gosh, I love Keurig. Not sponsored, but I sure would be glad to be. Keurig. Keurig, hit me up. Heavy cream, 1 tablespoon. This is just my normal, always deal. Power creamer, vanilla, 1 tablespoon. Sweet Drops English coffee, a few drops of that. And that's how I do it. Every time, pretty much. It is 11:15, having cup number 2 of coffee and this egg casserole. Doesn't it look good? It is bacon and cream cheese and cheddar cheese and green chilies. So yummy. So looking forward to eating this. Okay, y'all, just got my face on a little bit and we're gonna go makeup shopping at Target. I usually buy makeup at Sephora and spend a good bit of money on it, but I don't really have a lot of money right now. So I thought I'd go look at some of the dupes that people talk about. And my main thing, I'm pulling y'all in, this right here, it looks yellow on camera, it's not yellow, but I'm having trouble with this area just staying baggy, and so I'm gonna see what I can find. I've been hearing about a certain one, that Maybelline, I'll show you, I can't remember the name, but I know I'll recognize it, and we're gonna see how that works, because Mama needs to fix this area right here big time. All right, let's go shopping. Let's go shopping, y'all. You ready? All right, y'all, let's hit the Target. Leave, and I didn't get the one thing I really came for, which was the under eye concealer. Maybelline, and I think I'm gonna go with light. I don't know whether to get light or fair. I don't know. This is why I like Sephora, because you can take stuff back. Can you do that at Target? I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go with the light. That's what I was originally thinking, so we shall see. Alright, I think that about does it. Let's go check out, see what the damage is, and when we get home I'll show you what I got. Woo. Lord! Some nice brushes for eye makeup. There, you can kind of see them now. And they have a nice hard, hardish bristle, not too soft, which is what I needed because I have a lot of soft ones now, so this will help me out a lot with my eyes. I got a couple different eye palette colors. This one is I've never bought drugstore eye makeup before, y'all, so this is gonna be a new for me. I just didn't have the money to spend at Sephora right now, so we're doing this. Maybelline City Mini Palette. This is like a matte mostly. And then I also got matte from e.l.f. This is by e.l.f. also. It's a pencil brush for putting on like the corners of my eye makeup better into my creases. Got some, I needed new pencil grinder things. What do you call those? Pencil sharpener thing. This lip liner by NYX. And it is like the color of my lip, and I really, really like it. And then this is the main thing I wanted to get from the drugstore. This Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser. And I am desperately in need of something good for my under eyes. What else did I get? Oh, I wanted to get like a fall shade. And I thought that this looked good, but when I opened it, like a bronzy, almost purpley bronzy color, and this is still got too much pink in it, really. And then I got this by Pixie. It is for your under eyes. It's a lower lash mascara. So I have trouble sometimes with my regular favorite mascaras being great on top, but kind of clumping on the bottom. So let's see what it looks like. So it's just really, really thin. So I'm excited to try that. Brow style definer. Also, a couple of the YouTubers were talking about this, and I loved their brows. They weren't like, they were pretty natural. I like a more natural brow. I don't like a super, super defined brow. And this has a really thin pencil on the top. And then, you know, it has this attached little spoolie thing. So I'm excited to try that too. I have the lip liner on, not the white one, this NYX one. And then I put that lip color on, and see how it's like more pinky than purpley mauvey. Mauve, that's the word I was looking for. I wanted something more purpley mauvey, bronzy for fall. And this is pretty, but it's not at all what I thought it was gonna be from, you know, the little color. That's why I like Sephora so much, because they help you, number one, and two, you can like open and look at everything, where at the drugstore everything's like sealed closed. So I don't know. Gosh, y'all, look at my under eye circles. They're so bad. I know I need sleep and I'm getting old, but oh my God, they need help, desperate help. Help. Is this gonna do it? I hope so. I think I might just sit here and take everything off and put it back on and see if this works, because I really want to know. Okay, y'all. Makeup on. I'll move you in close. What do we think? I think it's better. It's still not awesome, but I think it's better. Plus, I did lips. I never wear red lips, but I was playing. I went real light on the eye makeup. I don't think I loved the eye makeup that I bought. That was the e.l.f. pad. Maybe I just need to get used to my new brushes. I don't know. All right, all done up just to take the kids to soccer, but I just felt like playing. Dinner time, and I am going to have this Quest thin crust pizza. I have this, it's from Costco, and I am going to put some of these meats onto my cheese pizza. All right, there it is. Some prosciutto and some soppressata. I guess I'll show you in case somebody's interested. You can find these at Target. I have only found the cheese one. They do have like a supreme and a pepperoni, just not at my Target. Nutrition says there's 2 servings per container. Total carbs 24, 18 fiber, and 3 sugars, and 27 protein. I mean, even with just having cheese, there's like protein in their crust. All right, y'all, look what I did. I burned the crap out of this pizza. Crap. I tried to take the sides off so I could just eat the middle. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be edible or not, but I really don't feel like making something else. Ugh. Shoot. This is why you set a timer. Gosh darn it. Alright, y'all. This is not edible. These are like, I don't know, $8 or something. There goes my dinner. Oh, I tried to eat it and now I can't stop coughing. Alright, y'all. I am just going to heat up some bacon because I really don't feel like cooking anything else, and I cannot eat that pizza. It was completely inedible. So I'm just going to heat up a little bit of bacon. I am also filling up my water container. This is what I've been drinking my water out of recently, and I am adding a little bit of Zit Fizz to it. And I also added some Soleil water. I don't know if y'all had that before. Hold on, I will show you. This is my Soleil water. Basically what you do is you take pink Himalayan salt and you put it in this container and put like a cup of salt in with the water, and you let it sit overnight to totally soak up the salt. And if it soaks it all up, then you want to add some more. If it has any left at the bottom, then you know that the water has completely filled up. So it's this really pink, pretty pink color. The big rule with the Soleil water is never let anything metal touch it. So take a teaspoon, add it to your water. Yes, it tastes a little salty, but no, it doesn't taste super salty. And then drink this with a plastic straw or no straw. You don't want any stainless or any kind of steel touching that. The thing that's awesome about this is there are just so many benefits. So many good benefits. Besides the fact that you're getting sodium, you're getting like, I think it's 84 different trace minerals that your body needs. So it's just super great. This is also a great thing, y'all, this no salt. And it's just basically straight potassium. So you can add a little bit of that to your water too. These are all things when we're on keto that we need to be careful to make sure we're getting our electrolytes. And then this is my Zip Fizz. I know this is in every one of my videos, but I literally have one a day. And if I miss a couple days, I can feel it. Like, I need it for my electrolytes. Shoot, I'm making a mess, y'all. Dang it. I'm just killing it tonight. Can't make food, spilling stuff everywhere. Alright, so this is my plastic straw. Stirring it up. And then I have these little plastic tops as well. So nothing metal will touch. This is on the outside so it doesn't touch the liquid. So if you haven't tried the Soleil water, it's so easy to make and it's really worth it. Like, it's so great for you. And I usually just have 1 to 2 teaspoons of it a day. And this is my 2nd teaspoon of it actually. So I'm getting that good sodium and all those trace minerals. So that's it for the day. So that, it turned into not a whole lot of what I ate and a whole lot of what I had to throw in the trash can. Oh well. Such is life. It's the reality. I kind of want to just erase this and start over and pretend today didn't happen because my day of eating was not all that awesome, but I don't want to lie. So this is what I ate today. It wasn't the best day ever. I will strive to do better tomorrow. That's all that I can say.